Good day, viewers. You are welcome to today's program. Today's program is I want to talk about marriage wahala. Marriage wahala. Why would a man raise his hand to beat his wife? It's very bad. It's very wrong. It's not good. You don't marry a lady or a girl for punching or for wrestling. It's not good. God did not create a lady for you to punch or for you to be blunt like say na wrestling. Why can't you go and fight men like you? Go and fight men like your mate out there than beating your wife. Just because of a little issue, you start beating your wife because you are the head of the house. Now you be the head of the house. Keep quiet there. Which kind of head of the house? If that is how God is, God would have been dealing with you for all the sin you have seen. As a man, I'm talking to men now. You get mad and beat your wife. They beat your wife like punching ball. See this one on the screen now. They just newly married. See them with their wedding gown. See them with their wedding gown. They just newly married. No, newly marriage. Before you know, small issue. Don't begin beating wife. You punch on. Start beating anyhow. To the extent the woman face now swell up as if like bones. That oil soak. That when you touch it, you can see wrong family, wrong habit as a man. If you know you don't love her from the beginning, why do you marry her? There are many gentlemen out there, fine boys, fine girls, fine guys, humble ones. They are hunting for her. But because she feels that you are the best for her, you are good for her, she loves you, she decides to give you hand in marriage, accept you for marriage. But you let her feel that she's a wrestling board. You now start giving her boxing just because of a little thing. As a mature man, if you get sense as a mature man, even though your wife insults you, be mature to swallow the insult. Swallow it so that there will be peace in the home, not joining and be fighting, beating. No, it's not good. The family will be scattered. Let me tell you, God did not give you her to marry for beating. God gave you a woman to marry, to make a great family in the glory of God, in the mighty name of God, not beating. You insult her in the public, you accuse her. Because of that, you come off house, you leave house, say, I'm not going to eat your food, no chop. It will affect your life. The peace will not be there because you retaliate just because of a word. You know, sometimes women, they have fish brain, they have small, sorry, women, no vessel. Don't be angry. Sometimes women have low mentality. Some women, they say, I'll kill you today, you must kill me today, you must kill me today. If you follow that one, you will kill them, pound them. Be mature, respect yourself. Just keep quiet when she's talking. When she found out that you know they talk, you are quiet, you are not talking. You say, this man knows they talk. It's as if you just be like saying, I talk to myself, I'm talking to myself. You will see that she will not get the access to insult you more. But the moment you retaliate, you answer her, oh boy, fight don't start for house. As a man, be wise. Be wise. Ladies, be careful with the kind of men you marry. Some men will be quiet. They'll be quiet. I love you, sweetie. I love you. I'll do you this. I'll buy you that. Immediately we enter in house. Sorry for you. Pray. Be careful with the kind of men you marry. See this one now. See how they punch her face. They change the stature of the face. The face now is not like bones. The face swell up. Look like another species, not like human being again. You can see a lady was beaten. Be careful of yourself. This is wrong. So please, bring your mentality, get sense. Maybe all men you see say I love you. Don't love men because of money. Love from the heart and love from the spirit. But although some ladies get mouths, you must kill me today, you must kill me today, you must kill me today. If you don't kill me today, you don't be man. If you don't kill me today, you don't be man. If you follow that pattern, you follow that mouth, you'll go jail. When he say you'll kill me today, just leave her. When she shout you'll kill me today, if you don't kill her, she will keep quiet. Don't retaliate, because the moment you retaliate, something happens. Now another level of death for you, because you are going to jail. You will suffer in life. Get sense, be wise. Devil fear enter your wife, make you go jail. Devil fear enter your wife, make you suffer. Say you must kill me today, and you vex. You say I must kill today, I will kill you. You carry knife and stab am, or you carry something, be beat am, take scatter this one face. And not this one now mouth. You must kill me today, newly marriage, immediately after marriage, never take. You don't change this one face to another pattern of face. They change the face now. I don't know which kind of face this one, whether na big face or what. Because of the mouth. You know this mouth, there is destruction, there is power in this mouth, there is death and life in the mouth. So get sense every time you beat your wife. No, in fact, don't beat your wife. Love her with love. You know what I call love. In fact, I said if love dey your house like that, if love sweet, love is sweet. She no go like to beat her, because love dey there, love dey. But if love no dey, you say this one dey cheat on you, this one this one that, this do. Leko so lo. Now fight now fight. There will be no peace in the house. Fight. So man as a man, not every time you dey beat your wife. No, in fact, no dey beat her like I say. Get sense. Not every time you beating your wife. This one now is another case. Which day this face go down? Even though they use water press this kind of face like this, you no go down. Don't. Women, keep your mouth, maintain your mouth. And men, not every time you beat your wife and they beg you, you beat your wife. Many people go jail now and because of family problem, husband and wife issue, you beat your husband, you beat this one, you beat wife. No, not like that. Before I go, I want to tell my ladies, I beg, please, ladies, please, don't insult your husband no matter what, whether an old marriage couple or new wedded couple. I'm talking to you people. Whether I don't born children, don't plenty. Don't insult your husband. Even though you senior your husband with 4 years or 5 years. God forbid, I will senior him. If I'm married, if you senior him 10 years, 2 years. Why will you insult your husband because of? Because of small thing, you insult your husband, lead to another case. Whether you be old wedded couple or new wedded couple, don't beat your wife. It's not good. And wife, close your mouth. Keep on her mouth. Her mouth too sharp. Don't insult your husband. Don't insult your husband. It's good. Don't insult him. No matter what happens, don't insult your husband, please. And let there be great peace and love in your family. When there is peace and love, definitely a humble home, sweet home, clear home, wonderful home will come out from both of you, because the love will generate from both of you with love, strength, and understanding. Build understanding, trust, and love in your family for better tomorrow and for your children to benefit from. Just because the way you build your family, that is the way your children will benefit from. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sun TV, Supreme News Television, to enlighten the youth, to uphold the nation. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Sun TV, Supreme News Television, enlighten the youth to uphold the nation.